Hi guys, it's Celia. I just finished my training, so I'm sorry for my face. Also, I sweat. I think it's sweat in English. So I'm sorry for that. But I'm very hungry and I need to take video because I didn't make it since 2 weeks, I think. So let's go. Today we will make cheese pasta with zucchini and tomato sauce. So it's Mezzaluna, the pasta. It's a type of pasta. You can, if you don't have, you can take ravioli. I don't know, like usually. With cheese, okay, it's very important because you need to have cheese, okay? So let's go. In first, we will cut the onion. So we cut one onion. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Telegram, and you can talk for free on Skype, okay? So I cut the onion. I'm very hungry. I danced like 2 hours, I think. I'm dead. That's my life. Oh my god, it's complicated today. The garlic, where is the garlic? Here. I will do with this and it's good. So for this meal, you need 1 zucchini, chopped tomato, Parmigiano, my cat, sorry. I don't know in English. I will check on internet. Really, I don't know. And pasta, 1 onion and 1 garlic. Let's go. Half, I don't know. Like this, okay. For 5 minutes. So when it's cooking, we can cut the zucchini. Like this. I add the garlic. and we cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes you can add the tomato. And the water. And we need to cook this for 15 minutes. Very good. The pasta for 4 minutes. I don't know if it's the same for your type of pasta. I add 1 spoon of the water with the pasta. So it's good for the pasta. Perfect. So you mix like this, and it's good. You add the pine nuts. And the cheese. and it's done. Perfect.